Konnichiwa. It's a vending machine, a die-door vending machine. If you throw a stone in Japan, there's a good chance you'll hit a vending machine. They're everywhere. I'm going to try this black coffee, which I presume would be iced. Could go either way. A bit of a risk. Oh, it's talking to me. Konnichiwa. There's a first, another 100. There's this one. Arigatou gozaimasu vending machine. Okay, so yeah, this vending machine spoke to us. It's the first one I've seen that does that. Very polite. As everything in Japan is polite, even the vending machines. We got this black coffee. It's cold, iced coffee. Surprisingly, it's not too bad.